In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Notion data. Backing up your Notion work is quick, and it gives you peace of mind in case you need to restore a page, share it outside Notion, or keep an offline snapshot. With your Notion page or database open, look toward the upper right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. Click that to open the Page Settings panel. This is where Notion keeps actions like duplicating, importing, and the one we want today, exporting. Inside that menu, find and click Export. This opens the export dialog, which lets you fine-tune exactly what you want to download. You'll see a field labeled Export Format. Click it to reveal your choices. Notion typically offers PDF, HTML, and Markdown and CSV. Each serves a different need, so choose the format that best matches how you plan to use the backup. If you want a clean, fixed snapshot that's easy to print or share as a read-only document, pick PDF. If you need a folder of web pages that you can open in any browser and keep the visual layout relatively intact, choose HTML. And if you plan to move content into other tools, edit text programmatically, or preserve databases in a spreadsheet-friendly way, go with Markdown and CSV. Markdown keeps your pages lightweight and portable, while CSV captures database tables so you can open them in spreadsheet apps. For complex workspaces, Markdown and CSV is usually the most flexible long-term backup option. Before exporting, scan the other options in the dialog. Depending on your page, you may see toggles like including subpages, database content, or comments. Turning these on ensures you capture the full context of your work rather than just the top-level page. If you prefer a smaller snapshot, say only the current database view, adjust those settings accordingly. When you're ready, click Export. Notion will prepare a zip file, especially if there are many subpages or large attachments, so give it a moment to bundle everything. Your browser will download the archive automatically once it's ready. Save the file somewhere you'll remember, such as a dedicated Notion Backups folder. It's a good idea to add the date to the file name so you can track versions over time. After the download completes, open the .zip and spot check a few files to confirm your pages and databases look right. That's all there is to it. Repeat this process on a regular schedule and consider storing a copy in a trusted cloud drive or external disk for extra resilience. You've now created a reliable backup of your Notion data.